Let me show you something cool. Look, here I have a mirror. Looks like this, and as you can see, I can remove the stick. And there's nothing here. But look, if I rub it like this, and as you can see, here's a gemstone on both sides. Oh my. And now actually I can duplicate them in this way. Look, and 1, 2. You see, here's 1 and 1, and actually on both sides. That's oh my. And now if I place it in front of the mirror, and as you can see, there's one more, right? Now watch this. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 3. See, it comes out from the mirror. All right, see, 2 here and 2 here. That's crazy. Now I place it in front of the mirror, and now you can see there's inside. Looks like one is inside, but if I move it back, something will happen. Look, 1, 2, and 3. See, it follows me. It moves, and watch. And as you can see, it moves here, but here it's still together. See, and if I snap my finger, now you can check it out. And this is my mirror pattern. Come on.